I was doing TikTok Shop affiliate for a few weeks through this TikTok page and earning some pocket money, but recently my videos aren't doing well. Most of them are stuck at 3,000 views. So in this video, I will try to create TikTok video that gets at least 1 lakh views so I can fulfill my criteria of 10,000 followers to join the TikTok creativity program to earn from ads revenue and affiliate commissions. So at the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap on how to start a TikTok Shop affiliate and become a bank owner. So let's get to work. First, I need to find a product. That's why I'm using this tool to find the most viral and best-selling product. I will leave a link to this tool in the description. I need a product that is selling well so that my business doesn't flop. Here I select this product because it's trending and the price is cheap, so everybody would buy it. The next step is to make a video about its use or benefit. I have 2 options: buy a product and then make a video about it. That's good for going viral. As algorithms love original content, you can see this original video here in trending that is getting good views and selling most products. I chose to make videos with AI. It is completely free to start and also has incredible views. Here you can see. Now I had to come up with an interesting script. You can create a new script from scratch. However, I'll use another video script that has already gained significant views. Simply click here and we can see the amount of profit this video has generated in just 1 week. By the way, for now, click on the download the video script and copy the script. Next, go to this website which rewrites scripts in such a way that you can't know they've been rewritten. Click here to create a draft. After pasting the script, select it and click on the rewrite option. The tool will provide 3 variations of the rewritten paragraphs. You can choose which one you prefer. Personally, I prefer to retain the original first line. Furthermore, you can enhance the script by mixing and matching or adding new words. You get the point. Now put them in a notepad, separate them line by line, and color some words, like if a word is positive, then green and negative, and denied words are in red, kind of like that. It will make the video more eye-catching and will also help us in the editing process. Now that I have the script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. I personally use 11 Labs to generate all my voiceovers. This time, I did the same. Make sure you use exclamation, commas, and capital letters to get a next-level voice that has emotion like a human. Here comes the next step, generating images. Now I'm thinking not to use all AI-generated images to make the video, because in every viral video, they are showing some real footage of a man using that product with before and after results. I'm going to do the same thing. Go to TikTok and then download some videos showing that they are using the product. For image generation, I always use Leonardo AI to generate images, but one of my subscribers told me that he uses Bing AI, so I thought I would try it. This time, I will be using Microsoft Designer instead. First, explain each sentence and provide a prompt. This is my first time, and the image is okay, except these coconuts. Don't worry, just regenerate it. And in this way, I prepare all of the images I require. Now it is time to mix and match the files together. Before that, we need to create a side-by-side comparison image in Canva. It's a very simple process to make. The next step is go to CapCut and take the voiceover you generated, then grab the razor tool, cut all the pauses, and overlap them to get natural sound. Good job. Now take all the resources you generate and download, and then cover all your voiceovers with the right clip. Now resize all your images, then use the keyframe to zoom in, zoom out, or move the image left to right. Just set the image properly, then tick this box, slide the keyframe to the first, then again tick the box, drag the image to the left, and slide this keyframe to the end of the image. Repeat this process for all clips. Then I start putting animation on it. First, use this animation, then slide it to the middle, and then use another animation. One by one, use these animations for all of these clips. Finally, I have added some screenshots of the comments from the TikTok video that are very positive. Now, use any effect you like. Play around with it. It takes a little time, but it's worth it. It still needs sound effects, but don't use too much. Otherwise, it will lose its quality. The last thing left is caption. Simply follow these steps and you'll be done with it. Color it the same way as the script and export. Now it's time to publish the video. I was hoping for a good result, and the next day I woke up in the morning to check out how my video performed. And I was just shocked to see this many views. Only 6,000 views, huh? All of this effort for a few thousand views, but wait, okay. Nobody gets millions of views in one night, right? Losing hope with one video is insanity. So I just started to make videos again. Within a week, I had uploaded 8 videos. So, did I get 1 lakh views? What about my 10,000 followers? Now it's final showtime, buddy. In my first video, I received over 4 lakhs views. I was so happy, but my happiness didn't stay. I'm not sure why. After that video, all of my videos stopped growing after 5,000 views. But recently, my latest uploaded video went viral, reaching 11 million views. It was insane. And when I saw my shop review, I was speechless. It was 2K in estimated commission, and you can see other matrices as well. It just takes time. So that's it. And if you like my AI avatar and want to create one for your faceless YouTube channel with CapCut, even with this mask, then you can actually watch that video because everyone is commenting like this.
Your guidance is excellent, brother. Is this channel for sale?
I mean, what? I'm leaving it up to you guys to answer his question.
Awesome and easy to follow guide. Thank you.
You the man. Now that's a real cool-looking AI corrector. Thanks, buddy.
Go and check it out.